Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. You know who I am. I am Mike, and in today's video, we're building a book holder. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to start by saying that the measurements do not matter with this build. My measurements are off the books that I wanted to put in them. There are 6 main pieces to this, plus the roof. First piece is the base or the floor. Second piece is the back with the 45-degree angle for the roof. There are 2 wall pieces. Attic floor piece, and then the front piece, and my roofing. That's the main pieces to this build. So now let's put all these pieces together. We're using wood glue and pin nails. I had to think about that. Had my nails upside down.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards. She says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards. With only hearts. What you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know.
Now let's paint. I'm using black, white, actually antique white, and red. I'll be back. Alright, we are back. I'll paint it up for you guys, or for me, whoever. I went for that old school look. Old school look. White, red roof. Inside just black. Anyway, that's the build. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you're new, why not subscribe? And until the next video, you guys keep building.